Hey Watch fam, it's George with Everest Bands, and if you love watches as much as I do, you'll want to take care of them and get the most out of them. And one of the most important ways of doing that is to keep them clean. So today, I'm going to show you how to clean your watch, your bracelet, your Everest Band, and how to maintain them. Through normal wear, dirt, sweat, natural oils, and lotion build up on the surface of your watch. Over time, these can corrode the protective layers of the watch and even degrade its function. So it's imperative to keep your timepiece free of grime. Now, before you start getting your watch wet and soapy, make sure it can handle the moisture. If it is not water resistant at all, do not get it wet. You risk getting water inside the case and ruining the movement. Simply wipe it clean, inside and out, with a dry cloth. You can also use a small, soft brush to get inside the hard to reach places. If you do have a water resistant watch, let's start by gathering our materials. 2 bowls, both filled with warm water. Gentle, natural dish soap. Put a few drops in the first bowl. A small, soft brush, like a toothbrush. Make sure it's clean and has soft bristles. A soft microfiber washcloth and a soft microfiber dry cloth. Note, all of our materials are soft and gentle, so we don't do more harm than good when we're cleaning our watches. That's key. The first step is to firmly screw down the crown and then any other pushers your watch may have. We don't want any of this water getting inside. The second step is to remove the case from the bracelet or band. This opens up the tighter spaces between the lugs, allowing for easier and more thorough cleaning. Third, wash your case. If your case has a lower water resistance, up to 30 meters, we don't recommend submerging it. If it can handle depths over 30 meters, then fully submerging it is okay, but not necessary. Get your brush slightly bubbly and gently scrub the outside of the case using circular motions. Get in all of the grooves and crevices of the metal and ceramic parts. Wipe away all of the damaging dirt and debris. For the crystal, we recommend using a damp cloth to wipe away grime. Sometimes a brush can leave marks. Do the same for your metal bracelet or rubber strap. Get in between every link and in every corner with your brush. Washing away sweat and natural oils will help stainless steel stay stainless, keeping your bracelet or band flexible and well-fitting. If you've got a leather strap, don't get it wet ever. Just wipe it clean with a dry cloth and condition it with a quality leather oil or conditioner. Leaving it off at night allows the leather pores to breathe and release odors too. Once you feel like you've reached maximum cleanliness, either dip your watch parts in the clean water or rinse them off with your clean brush or cloth. Be sure to rinse out every bit of remaining soap. Finally, pat your watch dry with the other microfiber cloth and set it aside to fully dry. You can even use a hairdryer on the low setting to get in between the links of your bracelet. Reassemble your watch by putting your bracelet back on if you removed it earlier. Your watch is now clean and free of harmful residue. For continued care, wipe your watch down nightly with a dry cloth inside and out. If you enjoyed this video, help us by subscribing, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well. For all your accessory needs and straps, go to everestbands.com. Peace out, watch fam.